This keeps your skin nice and tight. We put it in drinks and we make it into salt scrubs. Who can remember
Is
the
it
name
yummy?
of this plant?
He said unicorn power.
This frequency on your brain will decalcify any kind of calcium that's been growing on what is inside of your head called the pineal gland. No, it's okay, bro. You can be a fool.
Pineal gland
Yeah,
cleanse.
dude. Yeah, dude. Red, no, come on. Blue Bull. Red Bull's already taken. I'm going to give you
I love it.
Wait, hold on. I got to get this guy.
Roll power.
Oh, can you say go like that?
Shakti power.
It wrinkles your brain.
No, none of that here. Only growth.
Where do I put this?
They only sting you if you're moving and get scared. But if you let them, they will wiggle themselves out of you, and then they won't die. They won't have to. They won't pull their abdomen from them. These bees produce honey for themselves. You want to come over here and take a quick look right here? That's one way. Then we can walk over this way, over to the earthworms. So we're gonna follow you. Let's go this way.
Permaculture.
I see. Where's the hive?
The hives are 2 hives.
Vermicompost.
The earthworms are back here. I'm going to show you guys. So we have 60,000
There they
bees
are.
that are right there. They're
Hi,
considered
bees.
livestock. Let me get this out of the way for you.
Hello, bees.
Ooh, a toby.
Hello, hello. Hi.
Anybody ever seen a soldier fly?
Ah.
Where is the beehive?
gosh, it's on
Right
me.
there.
Yeah, they're good for the farm.
Ah.
Is this a soldier fly?
Hi, soldier fly.
Are they harmless?
They're
He's a
harmless.
soldier of love.
They're very good for our ecosystem.
Pollinator, right?
Pollinators.
Yeah. It's a good
See
mint.
where we put our microgreen soil? Put it here and we let it break
Spicy
down.
Yeah, it's so strong. We've had mint. We've got lemon,
Anybody wanna try
verbena. He's talking about basil now.
Yeah.
Some other stuff I couldn't pronounce. This is fun. Gentle, gentle. Be nice to the plants. Everything's alive here.